To the top, I'ma have to dump the Glock. Tick to the top, I'ma have to dump the Glock. Tick to the top, I'ma have to dump the Glock.
So Mr. Doolittle start dumping non-stop.
Fuck it, I got to come with some wicked shit. Cause I'm broke like James Harris, but I'm trying to make a grip. So I bounce through my hood with the beanie and the lows. Doing do-lows, cause I'm tired of being broke. And the nigga got game, ain't no need to analyze. If you try to take the top, you're liable to catch the 45. You got one life to live and that's it, motherfucker. So won't grab the heat and start dumping on these strong
It's like booyah, booyah until the gat goes click. I put a slug in your back and lay you down flat. Cause niggas get smoked like a pack of lean nuts. Jack to 11, so get them in tuck. Don't make me have to bust, cause you can bite the dust. 30 months for them punks, I'ma lift the ammo dump.
So grab the Wu-Tang, the Glock and the bunk. Cause the neighborhood watch, bout to let the ammo dump. Grab the Wu-Tang, the Glock and the bunk. Cause the neighborhood watch, bout to let the ammo dump. Wake up, everybody, no more sleeping in bed. Cause
it's time to grab the Glock and start dumping non-stop and make show them punk motherfuckers dead. Coming back like 1 to the 2 and 3 into the 4 and it's the neighborhood watch. Nigga, what you ain't doing? Keeping an eye on the hood and the goods that we use. Banking corners, hitting switches in the 7-8 coupe with the whip burst spinning. Sipping on gin and smoking blunts with the pump in the sheet in the trunk. So if you hooks for some foot, you better be strapped with your heat or get a hole in your cap and your naps folded back.
Now from dusk to dawn, you know it's on once more. I'm quick to stop a trick like the LA Funk. With the brownies and the rag, I'ma load the strap. I gotta get some stripes, so I'ma bust some cap. Cause sometimes it's like this, sometimes it's like that. Niggas used to strap, but now we busting caps. So fuck, beat them up, I line them up after I hit them up. Go trick a 40 and tempt the homies how I lit them up. Then I'm checking a spot to check a knot, but it's up reloading my Glock just in case something else pop. Cause ain't no telling what might jump when you're drunk. I just aim at the crap with my heat and let the ammo
so
jump.
grab the Wu-Tang, the Glock and the bunk. Cause the neighborhood watch, bout to let the ammo dump. Grab the Wu-Tang, the Glock and the bunk. Cause the neighborhood watch, bout to let the ammo dump.
I'm gonna need somebody. I got the tech guy with the pistol to the head. I got the tech guy, the hammer back. I got the tech guy, so with the mama got way.
I would say peace, but none of you niggas are listening anyway.